plans to block Mississippi social media. Good morning. I have analyzed the Supreme Court recent decision regarding Mississippi social media age verification law, the Supreme development in digital rights and child protection law. This decision is particularly noteworthy because the Mississippi law required all users to using common social media sites ranging from Facebook, much broader than previous age verification laws that focused on sexually explicitity. Justice Brett Kavanaugh noted that under this court case law as it currently is concurring with allowing its enforcement during ongoing litigation. The analysis I have created explores the constitutional tensions between free speech. This decision sets an improvement to First Amendment protection and technological realities. Analyze in 30 questions. 1. What does the Supreme Court refuse to block Mississippi? 2. How does this decision different from the Texas age verification law for sexual explicitity? Websites. 3. Why did Justice Brett Kavanaugh suggested the Mississippi's decision? 4. What constitutional tensions arise between first line? 5th, how might requiring age verification for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube? 6th, what role does the conservation? 5th, 7. How does NetChoice argument about content moderation approaches? 8. What precedent media restrictions? 9. How does parental consent reforms affect family autonomy and digital literacy? 10th, what technical and privacy implications? 11. How does the court distinction between social media reflect in evolving digital spaces? Doctrines. 12th, what evidence support or refutes? How might this decision influence pending federal legislation like the Kids of Social Media Act? 14th, what economic impact should widespread age verification require business model? 15th, how do alternative parental children? 16th, what international approaches to social media age? 17th, how does the Mississippi laws breed converted? 18th, what procedural significance? 19th, how might this decision affect content creators, educators, and political leaders? 20th, what constitutional scrutiny standards should court apply to social media regulations affecting minors? 21. How do state level social media laws create? 22. What role should parental responsibility play in digital experiences? 23. How might age verification requirements affect anonymous? 24th, what data collection and storage concern arise from mandatory age verification system? 25th, how does the decision reflected broader judicial area? 26th, what advocacy strategies might challenge similar law in other jurisdictions? 27th, how could this ruling influence platform design and user interface changes to accommodate age verification? 28th, what educational and research implication exist if minors access to social media become 29th, how might this decision affect the balance? 30, what long term implication could widespread social media age verification have on digital communication pattern and civic? Subscribe and comment.